How rich is 20-year-old McKenna Grace? She is no longer seen as just a child star. At the age of 4, her grandparents gave her a collection of Shirley Temple DVDs, sparking her dream of becoming an actress. To support her career, her parents left their jobs in Texas and moved the family to Los Angeles. She quickly gained recognition with Disney's Crash and Bernstein. In 2017, she broke through with Gifted, starring alongside Chris Evans. Over the following years, she became one of Hollywood's most sought-after young actresses, with an estimated net worth of around $2 million. In 2021, she became one of the youngest nominees ever for the Primetime Emmy Award for Outstanding Guest Actress in a drama series for The Handmaid's Tale. She also signed with Sony Music and launched her music career, bringing her estimated net worth to about $3 million. In 2024, she starred in the Ghostbusters franchise, completing her transition from child star to adult actress, while expanding into behind-the-scenes work and other ventures. Her estimated net worth reached around $5 million. By 2026, her career spans film, television, and music with multiple streams of income. What do you think? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.